Hello, my name is Brandon here at Moms to Be and More. Today I'll be highlighting one of our latest products, the Bloom Fresco Chrome Loft. As you can see here, this is a very modern contemporary style looking chair, and it's just more than a high chair actually. I find it's a multi-purpose unit in the fact that it has 3 different uses for this particular chair. It is suitable from newborn up to 79 pounds, so it is used as a cradle, a high chair, and also as a youth chair. So you can definitely use this for a long period of time. So let's going to highlight some of the features that this chair gives you. So first and foremost, it does have a recline in the actual chair. So how you go about doing that is there's a lever behind the chair here that you need to pull up. And when you do that, you can adjust the incline of the chair to have it backwards or upwards. So you can adjust the recline. It also has a 360 spin, kind of like a salon chair, and the fact that you can easily turn it around. But there's also a lock on the bottom of the chair if you want to reduce that to happen. So if you want to just reduce the 360 effect, you just lock that there like so, and it'll make the chair a little bit harder to rotate. Also, the chair adjusts in height, so you can adjust the height up and down to multiple different levels, and it has an hydraulic lever or action when it comes to actually bringing up or lowering the chair. So how you do that is you just squeeze these levers right here, there's one on either side, and when you're bringing it down, you just apply a little pressure downward, and it'll drop the chair down to a lower level. And when you want to bring it up, you just squeeze those levers, and when you do, it just automatically comes up until you stop it. It's actually suitable from table height to bar counter height, so it'll definitely cover a large range of heights depending on your eating surface that you're using, whether it be a table or if you want to use it as its own high chair. So now we're going to actually preview how you use it as a high chair. So as you can see here, we set up the high chair in the high chair mode. So now as you can see, we have the tray as well as the safety bar on the bottom here. So I'm going to show you actually what I did in order to convert this into a high chair. It's quite simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the tray here. This is a food tray. This is made of a food grade plastic, and it is dishwasher safe. And it has a deep lid here to help contain spills, which eventually will happen. So what you do is there's levers underneath the actual high chair that you need to push out, and then you're going to bring the first tray towards you. As you can see, it just slides out just like so. So these levers underneath here that allow you to do that. I'm going to set that aside. And then we're going to get over to the play tray here. This one right here is also made of a food grade plastic as well. It's I would say it's more for toys and play than it actually is for food. For food purposes, I would use a larger tray. To take this off is also quite simple. There are snaps on the sides here, as you can see on both sides, that you just need to pull out, and then the tray just comes off just like so. Now, as you can see, we have the safety bars. So this one here is a crossbar or T-bar, whatever you like to call it, to help, of course, secure the child in, along with the 5-point harness, which is on the chair, which is standard. So this one right here, if I wanted to take this off, there are buttons underneath here that I need to press, and buttons on the side here that I have to press. So it's 2 functions. So you squeeze, press in, and then press out. You hear the clicks? Those things slide right out. And if I want to take it off the middle here, there's a little button that I push in and squeeze down on, and this actually will slide forward. So that's the safety bar, and as you can see here, it's quite simple to actually remove. So this particular mode you'll probably be using until the child is, I'd say, anywhere between 3 or 4 years old. And then afterwards you can use it as the youth chair. All you need to do is just simply remove the 5-point harness by just peeling off. As you can see, I peeled off the seat fabric off here. It's just velcroed onto the chair. You can just pull those slides out, pull out the harness, and you just have a nice finished chair. Also, just a side note here, this particular fabric is a leatherette material, so it's very easy to wipe clean. As you can see here, there's no really cracks or crevices, so there's no really place for crumbs to actually hide, so it's very, very easy to maintain and keep clean. And that's the highlights for the Bloom Fresco Chrome Loft Chair. It does come in a variety of different colors. The base actually comes in either mercury, which is very chromed out look. It comes with a in a silver and also in the black. And you can get a variety of choices when it comes to the seat pads, so you can definitely customize this chair to make it look like how you want it to look. So that's a look at the Bloom Fresco Chrome Loft. Thank you.